Are you a business owner looking to improve your customer service and response time without hiring additional staff? Do you struggle to craft the perfect response to customer queries or complaints? And are you looking for a way to scale your Amazon business without sacrificing customer satisfaction? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then this video is for you. For any Amazon FBA seller, customer support is vital to increasing customer satisfaction and sales. Now you can say goodbye to manual reply drafting. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Tool for Seller to achieve this goal. You can reply customer messages with AI. Work smarter but not harder, enabling you to focus on other essential aspects of your business. Revise your reply to perfection. You can craft better responses to ensure customer satisfaction. It's an all-in-one solution as it works for all types of customer messages. It also provides multilingual customer support as the AI reply generator speaks 13 languages. If you receive a buyer message and don't know what to say, Tool for Seller can help you generate a reply quickly. Just simply click on AI Reply Generator button and it will generate the response within seconds. This email is clear and easy to read. It follows a standard format for customer service emails, which is well organized and easy to navigate. And that can help to improve the customer experience and reduce any potential confusion or frustration. Plus, the beginning of this email offers a sincere apology for the inconvenience caused by the missing shoulder strap, which shows that you take all customer complaints seriously and you are committed to resolving the issue as soon as possible. And you can see that the AI-generated email offers a solution to the customer's problem by offering to send a replacement to ensure customer satisfaction. If you want the AI to generate a reply based on what you say, just click on Reply button and enter your reply here. And then tap AI Reply Optimization to get a complete, optimized email content. If the result isn't satisfactory, you can just click the Regenerate button until you're happy with it. If you're okay with the optimized version, you can tap Use to reply the customer with this email. Both AI Reply Generator and AI Reply Optimization can deal with all types of buyer messages, such as refund, return, replacement, and more, and they can provide accurate answers in just seconds. Let's say you have a customer who requests a refund. I will use AI Reply Optimization to get the reply I want. So I wrote a simple reply with an apology, expressed no refunds, and asked the customer for details. Let's see what the AI assistant will give me. The optimized reply also apologized, but it sounds more sincere. It asked the customer to elaborate in a polite way and also explained the reason for that, and expressed that the item is not refundable but showed the determination to solve the problem. Due to time limits, I'm not gonna give too many examples in this video. You can try this feature yourself and use it to reply other kinds of buyer messages. And finally, I'd like to introduce my favorite part about this feature: multilingual support. For example, you receive messages from customers who speak French and you don't know the language. That happens a lot when selling on Amazon. What will you do? Copy and paste these messages into a translation tool. Get the meaning, write the email in your language and translate it, and finally you can reply to the customer. Maybe you can do this to 1 or 2 customers, but can you repeat the steps to a dozen customers even more every day? Now, you don't have to worry about this anymore. Click on Translate to get the translation. After knowing what the user is saying, click AI Reply Generator. Let AI write an email for you. And you can see the translation here. You can also write a simply reply in any language and select the language of the reply. The AI assistant will refine the email based on what you say and generate it in the language you want. Alright, that's all for today's video. Download and sign up for Tool for Seller to free up more time for other tasks. Give me a thumb up if you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more seller tips. If you don't see a feature but would like to have it in Tool for Seller, comment down below to let me know. See you next time.